Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Talking Easy Channel. I'm Ella, and I'm so excited to be here with you today.
And I'm Alex. Thanks for joining us. Today we have a really fun and delicious topic, traditional food from your country.
Oh, yes, this is one of my favorite topics because food is not just food, right? It's culture, it's history, it's love.
Absolutely. And the best part is everyone loves talking about food. So if you want to practice English and make new friends, this is the perfect topic.
You know what? When I travel and meet people, they always ask me, what food is popular in your country? And I love answering that question because I get to share a piece of my home.
Exactly. And that's what we'll help you do today. We'll teach you how to talk about your traditional food in English, simply, naturally, and confidently.
Before we start, please hit the subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps us keep making these episodes for you.
All right. Let's begin with the basics. The first question people usually ask is, what is a traditional dish from your country?
So let's learn how to answer that. You can start with this simple sentence. In my country, a popular traditional dish is...
Easy, right? For example, I can say, in my country, a popular traditional dish is fish and chips.
Perfect. And I can say, in my country, a popular traditional dish is spring rolls.
Now, your turn. Pause for a second and say it out loud. In my country, a popular traditional dish is... What's yours?
Don't be shy. Say it even if no one is listening. Speaking out loud is how you build muscle memory in English.
Exactly. Okay, now that you've named your dish, the next step is to describe what it is. You can say, it's a type of, and then explain.
For example, it's a type of soup, or it's a type of bread, or it's a type of dessert.
Let me give you a full example. In my country, a popular traditional dish is pho. It's a type of noodle soup.
Great. Let's practice that structure together. Repeat after me. It's a type of noodle soup.
One more time. It's a type of noodle soup. Well done.
Now let's make it even better. You can add what the dish is made from. Use the phrase, it's made with.
For example, it's made with rice, chicken, and vegetables.
Or, it's made with tomatoes, cheese, and bread.
Let's combine everything now. Listen, in my country, a popular traditional dish is shepherd's pie. It's a type of baked dish. It's made with meat, potatoes, and vegetables.
That sounds delicious, Alex. And see how simple that was? Just 3 sentences, and you've already described your food clearly.
Now you try. Say your dish name, what type it is, and what it's made with. Go ahead, practice right now.
Take your time. There's no rush. We're here to help you feel comfortable speaking English.
Good job. Now let's add some flavor to your description. Let's talk about taste.
When someone asks, how does it taste? You can use these words: sweet, salty, spicy, sour, bitter, or savory.
Savory means not sweet, like the taste of meat, cheese, or soup.
You can say, it tastes sweet and sour, or it tastes spicy and salty.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. It tastes sweet and sour.
Again, it tastes spicy and salty.
Excellent.
You can also describe the texture. That means how the food feels in your mouth. Here are some useful words: soft, hard, crunchy, chewy, creamy, smooth.
For example, the bread is soft and warm.
Or, the chicken is crispy on the outside and juicy inside.
Try saying that. The chicken is crispy on the outside and juicy inside.
One more time, slowly. The chicken is crispy on the outside and juicy inside.
Nice work. Now, let's talk about smell, because smell is a big part of food, right?
Yes, you can say, it smells amazing, or it has a strong smell, Or it smells like garlic and herbs.
For example, when my mom cooks this dish, the whole house smells amazing.
That's beautiful. It's not just about the food, it's about the memory and the feeling.
Exactly. And that's what makes your English sound real and personal.
All right, let's move to the next part. When do people eat this food?
You can say, we usually eat it during, or people eat it on special occasions.
For example, we usually eat it during Lunar New Year.
Or people eat it on weekends with family.
Let's practice. Say this sentence. We usually eat it during family gatherings.
Again, we usually eat it during family gatherings. Perfect.
Now let's put everything together. I'll give you a full example, and then you can create your own.
Okay, here's mine. In my country, a popular traditional dish is Sunday roast. It's a type of meal with roasted meat and vegetables. It's made with beef, potatoes, carrots, and gravy. It tastes rich and savory. We usually eat it on Sundays with the whole family.
Wow, that was great, Alex. And it was so easy to understand.
Thank you. Now it's your turn, my friend. Try to say 5 sentences about your traditional dish.
Don't worry if you make mistakes, just speak. Mistakes are proof that you're trying.
Yes, every mistake is a step forward. That's the 1% improvement mindset. Get a little better every day.
Let's take a short break and learn some useful vocabulary. These words will help you talk about food even better.
Word number 1, dish. It means a prepared type of food. Example, this dish is very popular in my country.
Word number 2, ingredient. It means one item used to make food. Example, the main ingredient is rice.
Word number 3, recipe. It means the instructions for cooking something. Example, my grandmother taught me this recipe.
Word number 4, flavor. It means the taste of food. Example, this soup has a strong flavor.
Word number 5, homemade. It means made at home, not bought from a store. Example, I love homemade bread.
Let's use these words in sentences. Repeat after me. This homemade dish has a delicious flavor.
One more. The recipe uses simple ingredients. Great job!
Now let's talk about emotions and memories. Food is very emotional, right?
Yes, food reminds us of home, childhood, love, and happiness.
So when you describe food, don't just talk about taste, talk about feelings.
You can say, this food reminds me of my childhood.
Or, this dish makes me feel happy and warm inside.
Or even, my grandmother used to make this for me when I was little.
These sentences are simple, but they're powerful. They show your heart.
Let's practice. Say this, this food reminds me of my childhood.
Again, this dish makes me feel happy. Wonderful.
Now, let's learn a few idioms related to food. Idioms are phrases with special meanings.
Idiom number 1, piece of cake. It means something is very easy. Example, this test was a piece of cake.
Idiom number 2, spill the beans. It means to tell a secret. Example, come on, tell me, spill the beans.
Idiom number 3, bring home the bacon. It means to earn money for your family. Example, my father works hard to bring home the bacon.
These idioms make your English sound natural and fun.
Okay, let's do a role play now. This will help you practice in a real situation.
I'll be a tourist visiting your country, and you tell me about your traditional food. Ready?
Okay, here we go. Hi, I'm visiting your country for the first time. Can you recommend a traditional dish?
Your turn. Answer that question. You can say, sure, you should try. It's made with, and it tastes.
Take a moment and answer out loud. Imagine I'm really asking you.
Good. Now I'll ask another question. Where can I eat this dish?
You can say, you can find it in most restaurants, or You can try it at the street market. Or my mom makes the best one.
Perfect. See? You're already having a conversation in English.
Now, let's practice one more role play. This time, you're introducing your traditional food to a foreign friend.
I'll start. Hey, what's that food? It smells so good.
So you say, "Oh, this is a traditional dish from my country. It's called... Would you like to try some?"
Then I say, yes, please. What's in it?
You say, "It's made with... and it tastes..."
Easy, right? These small conversations build your confidence.
And the more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
Now, let's talk about why traditional food is important.
Traditional food is part of your identity. It connects you to your ancestors, your family, and your culture.
When you share your food, you share your story, and people love that.
Also, talking about food is a safe and fun topic. It's perfect for beginners.
You don't need advanced grammar. You just need simple words and honest feelings.
So don't be afraid. Be proud of your food and your culture.
Let's do a quick review now. What did we learn today?
We learned how to name a traditional dish. In my country, a popular traditional dish is...
We learned how to describe it. It's a type of, and it's made with.
We learned how to talk about taste and texture. It tastes and it feels.
We learned how to talk about emotions. It reminds me of, and it makes me feel.
And we learned useful vocabulary and idioms.
That's a lot. But don't try to remember everything at once.
Just pick 1 or 2 phrases and use them this week. Maybe talk to a friend, write a comment, or record yourself speaking.
Small steps every day. That's how you improve. Now, before we finish, we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, what is a traditional dish from your country? What is it made with? How does it taste?
We'll read your answers and maybe even reply to you.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please share it with a friend who is learning English.
Learning together is more fun.
Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode.
We release new episodes every week to help you improve your English in a fun and easy way.
Remember, English is not about being perfect. It's about expressing yourself and connecting with others.
So speak with confidence, speak from your heart, and don't worry about mistakes.
Every word you say is progress.
All right, my friend, that's it for today.
Thank you so much for listening.
Keep practicing, keep improving, and keep enjoying the journey.
See you next time on Talking Easy channel.
Until then, stay curious, stay kind, and keep learning, one step at a time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.